Hello, I received your question. They want you to compute the critical value z sub alpha over 2 that corresponds with a 91% confidence level. You may want to read in your book on page 395. You'll find some good information there on page 395 in your book. That'll be helpful. Trying to draw the normal curve here with a mean of 0. So you want 91% level of confidence. Well, the total area under the normal curve is 1. And so 91% level of confidence. Okay, so that would be, on the normal curve, that would be where this area here is 0.91. If you change to 91% to decimal, it'd be 0.91. So I'd be talking about this where this area is 0.91. Then we have these two critical values is actually what they're asking for. This here would be minus z sub alpha over 2. This would be z sub alpha over 2, which we're looking for. So the total area under the curve is 1. This area is 91%. So what's that leave for these two ends? Well, if we subtract, 1 minus 0.91, that leaves us 0.09. That leaves us 0.09 for the two tails. Well, if we want to know what area in each of the tails, we'd take half of that. So if I take half of 0.09, that's 0.045. So the area of this tail is 0.045, and the area of this tail over here is 0.045. And so now you need to go to your table in the normal curve, I guess table 5. Go over to table 5. I guess if you're looking in the book, it's on page A11. And in the book, you want to look up 0.045, and what's the z value here. And so if you look there, it gives you a z value of negative 1.7. Well, these two values are mirror images, so if that's negative 1.7, this here, the value for this fellow would be positive 1.7. That's the answer we're looking for. Hope this helps.